Hi, I'm Sandy from the Home Depot Rental Center. When you need to create crisp, clean bed edges, the Bedscaper Landscape Edger from Easy Trench is an ideal choice. With its simple throttle controls and easy depth adjustment, you can create a tapered cut for a 2, 3, or 4-inch border. The zero-turn steering capability makes it easy to create beautifully shaped flower beds and landscaping features. Now, before you get started, as with the safe operation of any power equipment, be sure you're wearing the proper safety gear. Wear safety glasses or a face shield, safety shoes, hearing protection, and gloves while operating. Do not wear loose-fitting clothing or anything that could become caught in the unit during use. For more information, always read and understand all safety and operational procedures in the manual before operating the machine. This tool is designed to cut in soil only. Never attempt to cut rock, asphalt, or concrete. Keep both hands on the controls and away from moving parts while operating, and be sure to maintain a firm footing during use. Never leave the unit running when unattended, and be sure to turn it off when not in use. Before you get started, check the area for objects that could be hazardous while operating, such as yard tools, rocks, hoses, or branches. Call 811 before digging and identify the location of any underground cables, wires, and pipes. You're now ready to start the Bedscaper. Turn the engine on. Open the fuel valve and move the choke to the closed position. Gently pull the engine cord to start the engine. Once the engine has started, move the choke to the open position. To get started, fully squeeze the throttle control on the right to engage the cutting blade. While pressing down slightly on the handlebar, squeeze the depth adjustment lever on the left to release the front tire depth control pin, and then slowly allow the machine to lower into the ground. Let go of the depth lever on the left. This will release the depth setting pin to the first setting of 2 inches. Always press down slightly on the handle to adjust the cutting depth. Change the depth setting by repeating this process. The next 2 settings are 3 and 4 inches deep. As you move the machine, keep your arms and back straight. Lean back slightly and let your body weight help pull the machine. To redefine your bed, simply pull the machine backwards by guiding the left rear tire along the existing bed edge. To create a new bed, mark the border with paint and pull the machine along the paint line. Always be safe as you work your landscaping project. If you strike something, stop immediately, turn the machine off, and identify what's in the ground. Objects such as rocks or concrete need to be removed before continuing. When you're finished with your project, release the throttle and allow the blade to stop. Raise the blade by squeezing the depth adjustment lever on the left and press down on the handlebars until the front tire is off the ground. Then release the lever and lock it into place. Turn the engine switch off and then close the fuel valve. Allow the unit to completely cool before cleaning or transporting. The muffler and engine will get hot enough to cause serious burns. Wipe off excess mud or dirt and use a hose to clean the blade. Avoid spraying water into or onto the engine muffler, carburetor, and air cleaner areas. When transporting the tool in your vehicle, remove the handle lock pin and fold the handle forward. Properly secure the Bedscaper in the upright position to avoid injury or damage. Visit your local Home Depot or homedepot.com/rental to learn more about the best tools for your next project.